Hi, today I will be showing and telling you how to fix last day on Earth stuck in loading screen. Now if you're on phone, go to settings, then apps or games, clear your cache. If that didn't work, make sure your game is updated. No matter what, do not uninstall the game. You could lose your progress. Now solution 2 is to use VPN, then you can disconnect it. Solution 3 is to force close the application. Solution number 4 is to restart your device. Solution number 5 is to turn on your airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. Now let's go to PC version. If you play on PC like me, go to emulator settings and change the phone. I've been having this problem for days now. All I had to do is change the phone on the emulator. You can try playing different emulators. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe with the bell on to stay notified. Peace out.